over 90 years, Yetter Farm Equipment's innovative products have been improving farming operations. Visit yetterco.com to learn more.
There again, we're expanding our parts. We're adding another building for shipping and receiving for overnight parts that get dropped off. And we're outside of town here. We're exposed to the elements and the wind, and it gives us a better location that they can drop off things easier as they've requested. And then we're adding another building for part storage of DEF and other items and overflow in the parts department. And in the future, we plan to add more items like that, add onto the main building and onto our parts storage warehouse. So be able to get some of the company vehicles inside, move the forklifts for storage out there, and then be able to keep all of our parts in one location under a roof. So 85% of it is parts and service. No, I would say most everybody strives for that, or is higher. You have to sell the items to be able to maintain them, so it's all a key part of the business, but service and parts is the backbone of any bag dealership.
Well, it has been busy, but for the most part, we've got most of the tractors out in the field running. There's a few that have been brought in for some repairs after they've completed, or they're being used for cattle or feed wagons, hay. So getting prepped for those seasons. As you can see, we've got a couple older Magnums in here, a 340 in the corner, and then a little Maxim or Puma in the corner that we're working on, along with a couple skid steers, 3 skid steers. 2 of them are sold, 1 of them's a fresh trade-in, and then we've got 2 customer machines that just came in the other day to get worked on, and then doing a little maintenance on one of our forklifts, getting it ready for summer. So we do a lot of on-farm and customer shop repairs as well. So a lot of the AFS stuff is done in customer shops building, and the other building we do a lot of it outside, depending on what it is. Normally this is packed to the gills and you can't hardly walk through here, but as I said, we kind of got caught up, so now we're working into the hay season and cattle stuff and just whatever necessary customer repairs come in.